And I like the shape, kind of giving that boxy aviator. Y'all, ordered some glasses. Vibe. I like them. I'm gonna rock these, I could tell. Ooh, I got excited with the tinted glasses, so. Yeah. Is it purple? I like these. I wanted to cover my face and just see cheeks. These are blue light. Yeah, I like them. These are nice. I love these. Oh, these are beautiful. And this is kind of heavy. Y'all hear that? It's not like plastic. And this one came with a cute little case. Ooh, these are bright. Ooh, these are bright. And everything looks red. I can't tell how red these are showing up on camera because everything looks red. Kind of trippy. I don't know if I like it. What about this? Yeah, let's see. I wear a lot of glasses just for work, for style purpose. Color, I don't get gray. I don't have any gray. This is good. Tinted. Right, I get a little filter. Not as bad as the red, but I get a little filter of pink, and I am mad at it. They're cute. I have to say, all of them are well made. They don't feel fragile. Come on. Yes. I like them. It's my face. I was excited about these, y'all. These were the ones, y'all. These were the babies that I was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Why you do me? Why you? With just like the big circles. Not too much. It's cute. Ooh. Also blue light again. I get these specifically like for work when I'm ooh, pink. Okay, pink. That fit my face. Like sit on my cheeks. Don't press on my nose too much. Like, come on. Initially, for something to put my glasses in because I've collected a good amount. Now we have something for glasses. Okay, how do we hold these? Let's see. I think, is it supposed to go like that? Yeah, and then I just line them up. Oh, I got two more. I like them all, but there's definitely a few that I'm gonna keep in rotation. And that's all the shades I got. Y'all gotta let me know which one was your favorite. Have a blessed day.